Hello. Welcome to Listen to English AR. 1. Listen to the story without translation. 2. Listen to the story again with the translation turned on. 3. Answer some questions.
Hi.
My name is Emma, and I want to tell you about my daily routine. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. At 7:30, I go to the kitchen and eat breakfast. I usually have toast and juice, but sometimes I eat eggs or cereal. After that, I go to my bedroom and make my bed. And then I get dressed for school. Then I leave my house and walk to school with my brother. I have many classes during the day. My favorite class is math. At 12 p.m., we have a lunch break. I eat my lunch with my friends in the cafeteria. School finishes at 3 p.m. and I go home. When I get home, I do my homework for 1 hour. Later, I like to watch TV or play games on my phone. Then I have dinner. It is so yummy.
Yummy.
After dinner, I sometimes read a book or talk to my mom. I take a shower and go to bed at 10 p.m. This is my daily routine. What is your daily routine? Don't forget to rewatch the video with subtitles turned on to improve your understanding and language skills.
Now, we will listen to 3 simple questions to check your understanding of the story, and then we will review some vocabulary. Try to answer these questions in the comments.
1. Who does Emma walk to school with? 2. What time does school finish for Emma? 3. Where does Emma eat lunch? Daily routine. Daily routine. Wake up. Wake up. Bathroom. Bathroom. Wash.
Wash.
Face. Face.
Brush. Brush. Teeth. Teeth. Get dressed. Get dressed.
Get undressed. Get undressed.
Shower. Shower. Bed. Bed.
Bedroom. Bedroom.
Kitchen. Kitchen. Have. Have.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Yummy. Yummy.
Toast. Toast. Eggs. Eggs.
Cereal. Cereal. Juice. Juice.
Leave. Leave. House. House. Walk. Walk.
School. School.
Subject. Subject. Math. Math. Class. Class. Cafeteria.
Cafeteria.
A break. A break. Start. Start.
Finish. Finish. Homework. Homework.
Hour. Hour. Phone. Phone.
Games. Games.
Play. Play.
Lunch. Lunch. Dinner. Dinner.
Read. Read.
Books. Books.
Friends. Friends. Talk. Talk. Eat. Eat. Drink. Drink.
Great job, everyone! You've learned some useful vocabulary today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.